Hello friends, this is your tech day. Today topic is the what is the cognitive AI? Cognitive AI is the computing in a artificial intelligence where there are some key differences between the cognitive computing and other types of AI. Cognitive computing systems are designed simultaneously human thoughts and process, while other types of AI designing performance specific tasks. What is cognitive computers? The question raised the student's mind. The second question is how does cognitive computer work? The third question is raising the students is cognitive computer applications. What are the benefit of cognitive computers? The fifth question is what are the cognitive computer based AI? These all questions raise your brain. First, this title is announced. Now I will explain step by step. This cognitive computing. The cognitive computing is a type of artificial intelligence that is simultaneously human thoughts process. It involving machine can learn reasons, understanding languages, fair to the similar to how to human do. Cognitive computing system are able to process large amount of data and identify the pattern of the relationship, and that would difficulty impossible for the humans detecting, and the technology uses the wide varieties of application including healthcare, finance and manufacturers. The new computing at $3,000 billion is this. The how does cognitive computer work? The next step. The cognitive computer system is typical based artificial neural networking. It is the which are the mathematical and modules of the inspiring the human brain. This networking is available on the learn the data from the impress their performance over time. The cognitive computing system also use variety of the other techniques such as the natural language processing. This machine learning is understanding the interact with world around the cognitive computer application. What are this cognitive computing applications is coming on the healthcare, finance, manufacturers, and this mostly this. How does cognitive computing working, or this is over? This cognitive computer applications is the cognitive computer is used wide varieties of application including healthcare, finance, manufacturers. The system powered by cognitive computing may be in diagnostic diseases, developing new treatment and managing patients' care. The finance, the cognitive computer system can detect a fraud of the managing risk of the help of make investment decisions. For example, of the bank may be used cognitive computer system. It is to analyze financial data and identify this potential investment opportunities. The manufacturers, the cognitive computer system may be used to optimize product processing, the predicting maintenance need to manage inventory. Example, aviation companies may be cognitive computing system monitoring the health of jet engines, the predicting when they need to be services. This is the topmost reason. Benefits of the cognitive system: accurate data analyzing, more efficiency business processing, improving customer interactions, and cognitive computers. The benefit of computing. The cognitive computing offers the number of benefits including accurate data analyzing. The cognitive computer system can process large amount of data and identify patterns and the relationship that would be difficult to or impossible to humans detect. That allows business to make better decisions, to avoid their opportunities, to improve their business bottom line to top line. This is the more efficient business processing. This cognitive computer systems can be used autonomous tasks that currently performed humans. It can be free human works focus the more strategic tasks, improving their overall efficiency of their businesses. The more improved customer interaction to this cognitive computing systems, they be used to interact with customers to more personalized engaged way. They can improve their customer satisfaction, then loyalty of their lead to increase their sales promotion work. cognitive computer was S. The A cognitive computing type of artificial intelligence is the however there are some key differences between cognitive computing other type of A cognitive computing system designed with the simultaneously human thoughts and processing. While there are type of AI design performance for specified tasks, the cognitive computer system also able to learn and adapt over the time. The other types of AI, the typical programs performance specified tasks can do the adapting.